Good morning, Kawan. Sharing, aside from my NBA McFarlane figures, sharing my Star Wars figures. There are my Figwars figures, the Sith and the Jedi's. And aside from that, I have here the 6-inch scale Black Series TIE Fighter. Of course, with a TIE Fighter pilot. And my speeder bike with a Scout Biker. Actually, MISB 10, 8 pieces, then 2 pieces uh, loose. Actually, planning matagog ko mag, should I say, operator ba? Man-approve akong franchise ani nila. So, wala na ako gipadayon. We have here the X34 land speeder of Luke. Then we have here the Dewback and its Scout. I have 2 Han Solo with Taon and 1 Luke in Wampa. Someday I'm gonna lose this one, this figure someday. Then I have several troopers there at the back of McFarlane figures. Someday ilose kita mo. And of course, some of my McFarlane figures. Wala pa diri ang Marvel Legends, around 400 I think, loose and MISBs. Some loose Marvel Legends. Ang daddy room ay mo onto na mo ka ng extension for my display. Okay. Hopefully next month fully arranged na gid mo. Thank you for watching. Bye.